Hello student, good morning to all of you. Now we take one another numerical based on Kirchhoff's law. Then after we discussed on meter bridge. We have a network in which in each side of a parallelogram resistance are connected 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, and the diagonal AC is connected with a source of potential battery 10 volt with a resistance of 10 ohm, where the another diagonal BD is connected with a resistance of 5 ohm. For calculating current in each branch, we need to calculate first, or we need to divide first current across each branch. Suppose I current is start moving from the battery, and when it reaches at the junction point, the current will distribute in this branch as I1 and this branch as I2. Okay, when this current is reached to point B, then in branch BC it is distributed as I1 minus I3. So this current is I1 minus I3 in branch BD. When the two currents, one is I2 and one is this, reach to junction D, then both current leaving the junction in the direction of D to C. Therefore this current is I1 minus I3 plus I2. When both the current is reaches at this point, then whole current is leaving from this point, which is I1 minus I3 and plus I1 minus I3 plus I2. 1 minute. Okay. In the current BD, I3 current will pass. Therefore, in BC, I1 minus I3. When these two currents are reaches to C, first the current D to C is I2 plus I3, because in this branch is I2 and in this branch is I3. When both the current is reaches at point C and leaving towards C to E, so I1 minus I3 plus I2 plus I3. So the left current which is moving here, that is I3 से I3 cancel student, and it will be I1 plus I2, and initially current I1, current I is distributed as I1 plus I2. Okay, so this is current I, and current I is moving from E to F and enters in the negative terminal of the battery. So this is the distribution of current in the branch. So we applied here current is distributed according to Kirchhoff's first rule. Okay, here I is equal to I1 plus I2. This is equation first. Now we start the loops. In loop A, B, D, A, we are moving in the direction of current. Okay, therefore I1 into 5 plus I3 into 5 and minus I2 into 10, and we reached at O, so it is 0. Now on taking 5 as common, we get I1 minus I2 I1 minus 2I2 plus I3 equal to 0. This is equation second. Now in loop B, C, D, B, again we moving in the direction of current. So I1 minus I3 into 10 in opposite direction, I2 plus I3 into 5 and again in opposite direction, I3 into 5 and we reached at B, so 0. On solving this, 10 I1 minus 10 I2 minus 5 I2 minus 5 I3 and minus 5 I3 equal to 0. So 10 I1 I2 5 I2, which is minus 15 I2, and again here is minus 10 1 minute I3. Five I2 and 10 I3, 5 I3, 5 I3, so minus 20 I3 equal to 0. By taking 5 as common, we get 2I1 minus I2 minus 4I3 equal to 0. This is equation third. Now in the next loop is and in loop A B C E F A. A D C E F A. So I2 into 10 plus I2 plus I3 into 5 plus I1 plus I2 into 10, and we are moving in the direction of current and passing from negative to positive terminal. So plus 10 equal to 0. On solving, 10 I2, 5 I2 plus 5 I3, 10 I1, 10 I2 equal to minus 10. I2 and I2, which is 10 plus 5 15 plus 10, 10 I1 plus 25 I2 and plus 5 I3 equal to minus 10. By taking 5 as common, 2I1 plus 5 I2 plus I3 equal to minus 2. This is equation 4th. Okay. Now we going to solve all these equations. In which first we solve by multiplying equation second by 2, equation second multiply by 2 and subtract from equation third, we get 2I2 2I1 minus 4I2 plus 2I3 equal to 0, and two I1 minus I2 minus 4I3 equal to 0. On solving, negative plus plus, we get, this is cancel, minus 2I2 plus 6I3 equal to 0. Therefore I2 equal to 3I3, ये हमें एक वैल्यू मिलेगी. and again equation third subtract from equation 4. We get from here 2i1 minus i2 minus 4i3 equal to 0 and 2i1 plus 5i2 plus i3 equal to minus 2. On subtracting minus 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 and this will become plus. So this is cancelled. We find minus 6i2 minus 5i3 equal to 2. Okay, now on putting the value of i2 from this, we get minus 6 into 3 i2 minus 3i3 minus 5i3 equal to 2. On solving we get minus 18i3 minus 5i3 equal to 2. So it is i3 equal to minus 2 by 23. Okay, here student, when we subtract 4i2 from i2 we get 3, so this will become 2. So on substituting value here, this will become 12, so this is 17 एम्पियर. इतना कॉपी कीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, now i2 equal to 2i3 and we have 2 into i3 is minus 2 by 17. On solve we get i2 equal to minus 6 by 17 ampere. Next we have calculate equation from equation second. I1 minus 2 I2 plus I3 equal to 0. Therefore I1 is equal to 2 I2 minus I3. This we have 2 into minus 6 by 17 and minus 2 by 17. This minus 12 by 17 and plus 2 by 17. On solve we get minus 10 by 17 ampere. Therefore I1 equal to minus 10 by 17 ampere, I2 equal to minus 6 by 17 ampere, and I3 minus 2 by 17 ampere. Okay, now from equation first, I is equal to I1 plus I2. Therefore minus 10 by 17 ampere and plus minus 6 by 17. Therefore I is equal to minus 16 by 17 ampere. Therefore the last point is current in branch AB is I1, which is minus 10 by 17. Second, in branch BD equal to I3, which is minus 2 by 17 ampere. Next, in branch AD current is I2, which is minus 6 by 17 ampere. Next is current in branch DC, which is I2 plus I3, that is minus 6 by 17 plus minus 2 by 17 is minus 8 by 17 ampere. Next, in branch BC I1 minus I3 minus 10 by 17 minus minus 2 by 17. This we get minus 8 by 17 ampere. And last we have current in branch A, F, FE and CE is equal to I, and this we have minus 16 by 17 ampere. So this is your answer for this question. Solve this all. Okay, student. Next we have meter bridge. application of Wheatstone Bridge. Okay. First, what is a meter bridge? As introduction, meter bridge is a device which used to measure resistance. Okay. Second, principle. It is based on principle of Wheatstone Bridge. Okay, the principle is if four resistances P, Q, R, S are connected according to the figure, then if potential, this is A, B, C, D, potential at VB equal to potential at VD, that is potential at B and potential at D are equal. Therefore, current in branch BD, IBD is 0. Therefore P upon Q equal to R upon S. Bridge is said to be at balanced condition. Balanced condition. Okay. Next is third, construction, or we say description. Okay. In a meter bridge, it is a wooden box. Wooden box in which three copper strip or bronze strip are connected. At extreme point, L-type strip, and in between, I-type strip is connected. Now, it have a 1 meter length wire and a rheostat is also connected, and in between the gap, in first we connect the resistance box which provide the known value of resistance. This is RB, resistance box, and with the another we connect a unknown resistance, we say as S, and this is we say as R, and with the center terminal of the strip a galvanometer G is connected, whose second terminal is connected with the wire with the help of a slider or called jockey. Okay, now when we find that a balancing condition or no current condition in the galvanometer, and where we get the balancing current and current in galvanometer is 0. Suppose at point J. Therefore, this wire, if this wire total length have 100 centimeter, so suppose the balancing length is comes at from A to J is L, so this left length is 100 minus L, and with the help of this bridge we get the condition, those which are in, if student in this wire no current is flowing, so P and Q are in series and R and S are in also series. Therefore, the resistance in series in the ratio, therefore R upon S is equal to 1 minute. R upon L is equal to S upon 100 minus L, that is 1 minute. This we get the condition. Then we need to calculate this unknown resistance. This will calculate as R 100 minus L upon L. This is the calculation of meter bridge, and this is the formula for meter bridge. This is formula for meter bridge. So complete this and thank you. Student, it is asked by the board in 3 marks question, in which first you have to give the introduction about this bridge. So meter bridge is a device which measure the resistance. Second, principle on which is based. So it is based on the principle of galvanometer, and which tells about if the bridge is in balance, so in diagonal BD current is 0, therefore the ratio of P upon Q is equal to R upon S. By using this is the descriptive diagram and this is the working formula. Thank you.